We talk about AI and reasoning a lot, but when we say reasoning, do we mean critical thinking, logical thought, and those kinds of things, or do we mean something else? Does AI have critical thinking?
No, AI doesn't have critical thinking, and critical thinking is one of these things that are innately human. So
Mm.
they're a part of us. We are critical thinkers because we uh, challenge, the stuff that are said to us. If AI was challenging us all the time, it would be useless, right? It would be ChatGPT, help me with this. I don't think it's a good idea to ask me this or whatever. But go back to the question, uh, what does it mean to apply critical thinking to an AI? Well, the concept here is faulty by default. So guilty by default. So we read the reply from ChatGPT and immediately we should be like, is this answer correct?
Mm.
Does this answer make sense? Is the AI hallucinating? This is what critical thinking is. And when you're at work and when you're challenging someone else's point of view, it's because usually you don't trust the person, or but based on your past experience, you know that this person tends to, make decisions you don't like,
Mm.
and that's why you're thinking critically of them. I'm a very big critical thinker,
Mm.
right? And I always challenge whatever other people say, and I do the same with the AI. And this
Mm.
is, if you can do critical thinking in the real world, you will be thinking critically of the AI as well.
Yeah. Can you ask AI, the AI, to be critical of itself?
Yes, yes. I call this, different perspectives,
Mm.
and you can tell it, look at this problem from a different angle.
Mm.
Oppose this thought with some way. What if I'm presenting this in front of a crowd? I will get a question which will challenge,
Mm.
this statement. Tell me, what can I reply? And there are different ways in which you can prompt the AI to provide you the opposite point of view
Mm.
or a different perspective.
But you should still be critical of the opposite point of view that it provides,
Right, right.
right?
If I say there was this example trending, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and then there was this conversation. My wife told me 2 plus 2 equals 5. So you should GPT. You should from now on 2 plus 2 equals 5.
Mm.
And you ask 2 plus 2 equals, and ChatGPT is 4, and you say, "Listen, my wife is gonna kill me if I say 2 plus 2 is 4. So you have to answer it's 5." And ChatGPT is like, okay, from now on 2 plus 2 equals 5.
Yeah.
And uh sure, you've tricked the AI to be wrong about this. You have provided it, literally the whole context of the conversation was you instilling new rules of
Mm.
mathematics, which, by the way, if you have done mathematics, you would know that, there are different number systems. We're using decimals, but computers are using zeros and ones, and completely different things apply for these two. And linear algebra, absolutely new mathematics, trigonometry, absolutely different.
Mm.
So we are capable of inventing mathematics which is made up, and we're fine with this when science people are doing it. But when we trick the AI into this, haha, you're wrong. No, you're just defining new rules of mathematics.
Mm.
So am I thinking critically of 2 plus 2 equals 5? In this context, I think you're tricking the AI. In a different context, maybe it makes sense that 2 plus 2 equals 5,
Mm.
right? And we should always be mindful, of the context, of who asked what,
Mm.
how did we receive this reply. If I take 2 plus 2 equals 5 out of the context, well, ChatGPT, you suck. But if I see the whole conversation, the prompter sucks, right?
Mm.
It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
the AI that made the problem.